Today we are going to discuss slope of line joining 2 points theorem and y is equal to mx, different forms, y is equal to mx, gradient form or slope form, and y is equal to mx plus c. Also I want to teach. Listen here carefully. First of all, theorems you want to learn perfectly. How you are getting those values, I will tell very clearly. Write down first. The slope of line joining, the slope of line joining, the slope of line joining A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 is m, then m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is theorem. We want to prove this. This is known for you. Already told, theorem is there. X-axis, origin. Listen my words carefully. This is x-axis, this is the origin, this is y-axis. Now you take a line L. Line is denoted by letter L. Therefore L, this is the line. In this manner, it makes an angle theta. It makes an angle how much? Theta. Here on this, how many points are there? 2 points. The line passing through these 2 points. Here I am drawing one point A, other point here B. A point is how much? x1 comma y1. B point is what? x2 comma y2. Here join this in this manner. Here also join. Here also join. Here this is AM. This is BN. This is AL in this manner. Here angle is theta. Here angle is how much? Here angle is theta. Here angle is how much? So many students are observing in this manner only. Because here this is line. This line and this line are parallel lines. Here angle is how much? Same angle you will get here. Because 2 lines are there in this manner. I am cutting in this manner. Here angle is theta means here angle is also theta only. Here angle and here angle are. This is transverse. Correct only na? This angle and this angle are equal. If you don't know in previous geometry, you learn now also at least. Next, here angle is theta. Draw it. Draw the diagram fast. Only 1 minute. Do fast. This is M, N. One is M, one other one is N. Here, what are required? I will ask now. Horizontal distance always represent what? Horizontal distance always represent x coordinate. Vertical distance always represent distance always measure from origin. These points are very, very important. Horizontal distance always represent, tell me, x coordinate. Vertical distance, y coordinate. Distance always measure from origin. Okay. See this one. Here we can write given points. This is story. Everyone can write. given points. What? Tell me. A, x1 comma y1, B, x2 comma y2. AM, BN are perpendicular to, tell me, OX. Correct or not? AM, BN are perpendicular to OX. Correct or not? Draw perpendicular from A to x-axis, B to x-axis, which are AM, BN. Story, big story also I will write. We will write. Not necessary. That story. Proof is important. Okay. Next. AL is perpendicular to. Tell me. AL is perpendicular to. AL is perpendicular to BN. Very good. AL is perpendicular to BN. That's all. Now, from triangle, this is required. From triangle ALB, ALB, from triangle ALB. See this one, I am writing here. This is theta. I want to find tan theta. What do you want? Tan theta. Tell me what is tan theta value from that? This is right angle triangle. This is right angle. Right angle triangle means tan theta means how much? Opposite side by adjacent. That is how much? BL by how much? AL. BL by AL. Correct or not? I am writing tan theta is equal to BL can be written as BL. Observe this side, all of them. BL, here to here distance. This distance can be written as BN minus LN. BN, here to here I am finding. BN minus LN gives BL. Correct or not? BN minus LN is nothing but BL. Correct or not? Next, AL. This is AL. AL is equal to MN. Write down. AL is equal to MN. Note down. Next, I want to rub this part. Next, tan theta is equal to BN. Where BN? This is BN. See this side, all of them. This is BN. LN. And this value, LN is equal to what? AM. Minus AM. Whole divided by. Next, MN. Observe this. Here this is MN. This MN can be written as ON minus ON minus OM. ON minus OM. Tan theta means what? Tan theta means slope. Correct or not? Tan theta means slope. Tan theta is denoted by letter which letter? Tan theta is denoted, slope is denoted by which letter? M. Therefore, tan theta means M. M is equal to, now I am writing BN, here to here. This is vertical distance. Vertical distance represents which coordinate? What is y coordinate here? Y2. Correct or not? B coordinates are x2 comma y2. A coordinates are x1 comma y1. Here vertical distance BN y2. Next AM. This is also vertical distance. Which coordinate? y1. Next ON. This is what distance? Horizontal distance. ON is horizontal distance here to here. Here what is this? In this manner you can check. What is x coordinate? x2. What is OM? x1. Slope is equal to how much? y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. Write down. This is the theorem. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Next point, condition for parallelism spelling correct or not? P-A-R-A-L-L-E, correct. LISM, correct one. Condition for parallelism and perpendicularity. Condition for parallelism and perpendicularity of two lines. Condition for parallelism and perpendicularity of two lines. See this one, this is the x-axis, y-axis. This is line 1, L1. This is line 2, L2. It makes an angle, theta. It also makes an angle, theta. Means, what is the slope of this line? M is equal to, here 30 degrees is given here. What do you write? Tan 30. Immediately you will write. Theta means you have doubt. Alpha is given. Here beta is given. I will change immediately. Here angle is how much? Alpha. Here angle is beta. Alpha and beta are equal. They are saying. Means what? First line slope is how much? Slope of this line is how much? Tan alpha. M is equal to M1. First line means M1 is equal to tan alpha. Second line, M2 is equal to tan beta. Alpha is equal to beta, they are given. Alpha is equal to beta means what? Tan alpha is equal to tan beta. Tan alpha is equal to tan beta. That means M1 is equal to M2. Slopes are equal, lines are, write down, slopes are equal, lines are parallel. Slopes are equal, lines are parallel. Or lines are parallel, slopes are equal, vice versa, both are correct. This is condition for parallelism. M1 is equal to M2, lines are parallel. Perpendicular condition, perpendicularity. I will draw the diagram. Here x-axis, y-axis, one line, other line. Here these two intersect at what angle? 90 degrees. Here it makes an angle alpha, it makes an angle beta. This is also anti-clockwise direction, this is also anti-clockwise direction. Tell me, this is a triangle formed, correct or not? Beta is equal to how much? I am asking. Beta is equal to alpha plus 90 or 90 plus alpha. Why? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles in this triangle. Which triangle? In this triangle. Exterior angle is equal to, this is exterior angle, is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Write down, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angles. See this one. Apply tan on both sides. This value, slope of this line is how much? Tan beta. Slope of this line is also tan alpha. Slope of this line is how much? Tan beta. Slope of this line is tan alpha. Now I am applying tan on both sides. Tan beta is equal to tan 90 minus 90 plus alpha. What do you say? Tan 90 plus theta is how much? Tomorrow we will tell, sir. Tomorrow we will tell. Tan 90 plus means lies in second quadrant. Tan becomes cot. For 90 degrees tan becomes cot. And second quadrant minus. Therefore minus cot alpha. This is tan beta. This cot can be written as 1 by tan. Correct or not? This is tan beta. Multiply. What do you get? Tan alpha into tan beta is equal to how much? Correct or not? Tan alpha means how much? Slope of the first line. This is slope of the second line. One is slope of the first line is denoted by m1. Slope of the second line is denoted by m2. What do you write here? m1 into m2 is equal to product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Then the lines are perpendicular. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Then the lines are, tell me, note down. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Then the lines are perpendicular. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Now, I am writing some problems on this. You tell me yourself. One problem. Today I already told these two conditions and one theorem. First of all, I want to do on this some problems. After that, I will tell one more theorem also. Find the slope of the line joining points. Find the slope of line joining point. Find the slope of line joining points 2, 3 and -1, -2 is, or slope of, not necessary. Find, I am given. Find the slope of line joining points 2, 3 and -1, -2. Slope of the line joining points. Given point, tell me A 2, 3, B how much? -1, -2. Slope of AB is denoted by MAB, small letter, in this manner. MAB means slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to, formula is what? Tell me, -2, -3 by -1, -2. How much? -5 by, which is equal to 5 by 3. Write down. Next. Find the slope of line joining points. Find the slope of line joining points 3, 5 and 3, 7. Tell me. How much? Given points A 3, 5, B 3, 7, MAB, slope of AB 7 minus 5 by 3 minus 3, how much? 2 by 0, half 0. 2 by 0 means what? Not defined, means, write down, not defined. Not defined, vertical line. Next question, find the slope of line joining the points 3, 5 and 5 is three, 5 and 5, 5. What do you write? 5 minus 5 by 5 minus 3, 0 by 2. 0 by 2. Therefore, is equal to 0. Horizontal. Line, horizontal line. Next. The slope of line joining points 3, 5 and 2, k is 1, then k is equal to the slope of line joining, points 3, 5 and 2k is 1, then k is equal to, okay, keep quiet, then k is equal to, write down, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to how much they are given? 1. K minus 5 by 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. K minus 5 is equal to how much? minus 1 is equal to is equal to 1 is equal to 1. K is equal to K minus 5 is equal to how much? Minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 plus 5. How much? 4. K value 4. Next, write down. Next theorem. Angle between two lines. Theorem, this is also. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. This is x-axis, y-axis. Here, this is one line. This is other line. Write down. L1, L2, line 1, line 2. Here, it makes an angle alpha. It makes an angle beta. Here, in between how much? In between these two lines. Angle between these two lines is here all angle, here also. Here theta means here how much? Tell me. How much? Because this is 180 degrees total, straight angle. Therefore, here to here, theta means here to here. 180 minus theta. Write down. Angle between the lines. Correct or not? Suppose here I am taking in this manner. This line, this angle is theta means this angle how much? 180 minus theta. Because this is straight line. Total angle is 180. Here theta means 180 minus theta remaining part. Next. Okay. Now, write down theorem. The lines L1 and L2 intersect. The line L1 and L2, the angle between the lines, write down. The angle between the lines L1 and L2 is the angle between the lines. The angle between the lines L1 and L2 is theta. The angle between the lines L1 and L2 is theta. L1 makes an angle. L1 makes an angle beta with positive x-axis. L1 makes an angle beta with x-axis, right on x-axis in positive direction. In positive direction. It makes an angle beta with positive direction. L2 makes an angle, tell me, L2 makes an angle how much? L2 makes an angle. L2 makes an angle. This is L2. Makes an angle alpha with x-axis in positive direction. Positive direction means anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, slope of L1 is equal to M1 is equal to tan beta. Next, L2, M2 is equal to tan alpha. Okay. Now, see this one. In this triangle, which triangle? This triangle. If you want, you can write P, O, Q. From triangle P, O, Q. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is how much? Alpha. Here, beta. Here, theta. Tell me, alpha is equal to beta plus theta. Theta is equal to alpha minus beta. Write down. Theta is what? Angle between the two lines. Write down. Theta is equal to alpha minus beta. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. Means tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta. Sorry, you can write tan of alpha minus beta. First you can write this one. Apply tan means tan in this manner. Here I am writing, here see this one, L1 is how much? You can write this one L1, I am changing L1. This is L2, no problem. L1 is equal to what? Tan alpha. L2 is equal to tan beta. I am changing. This is L2, this is L1. Okay? Only just change. This is what? M1. This is M2. Okay, now what is the formula for this? Tan alpha minus beta. Tan A minus B rule is what? Do you know or not? Tomorrow you will tell her. Tan A minus B. Tan. Very good. Tell me. Here he is saying tan square A minus tan square B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Write down. This is the formula, not tan square A. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan alpha minus beta means what formula? You don't know? Here A, B only changes. Tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Here how much? Tan theta. Tan alpha value how much? Already told na tan alpha value how much? How much aya? How much? Tan alpha value how much given? Already given na? Tan alpha is equal to how much? M1. This is M1. Tan beta value? M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. This is what? Tan theta. Angle between the lines. Write down. tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. When we are taking this angle, suppose this angle is taken, how much I will tell. See this one, clearly I want to tell once again this theorem, what I told. This is line L1, listen my words, this is line L1. It makes how much angle? Alpha. It makes angle alpha means tan alpha value is what? Slope. Tan alpha is slope. First line, that's why slope is m1. This is second line. It makes how much angle? Beta. Tan beta indicates slope. M2, second line means M2 is equal to tan beta. Angle between the lines is theta. Angle between the lines is theta. We want to apply tan A minus B rule. What is tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B1 plus tan A tan B. This is known. Here, this angle we want to find. Here exterior angle. These two are opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Alpha is equal to, what is right? Beta plus theta. Alpha is equal to beta plus theta. Theta is equal to, apply tan. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus beta. Tan alpha minus beta means tan A minus B rule. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan alpha value, tan beta value by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the angle between the two lines. Can you follow? Write down. Or suppose here 180 minus theta, what happened I will show you. Write down. This is one condition. You can write. Second condition we want to do. Only simple step only. Not this much, not necessary. See this one. Tan 180 minus theta is how much? I am asking. Tan 180 minus theta. How much? For 180 degrees, tan changes or doesn't change? Doesn't change. For 180 degrees, tan only. In second quadrant, tan negative or positive? Tell me. Negative. Therefore, what do you get? Minus tan theta. Tan theta value is this. This is positive. Here minus tan theta means here negative. This is plus. This is minus. Therefore, what you write? Tan theta is equal to, this is, I am writing minus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is what? Tan theta is equal to plus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Combined, what you write? Tan theta is equal to, tell me, plus or minus, what you write? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Write down. This is the angle between the two lines. This is the angle between two lines. This is theta is acute. This is obtuse angle. This is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. Next, note down. Problem on this. Now I am giving. two lines having slopes, two lines having slopes root 3 and minus root 3, then the angle between the lines is, and the angle between the lines is, two lines having slopes how much? Root 3 and minus root 3. Then the angle between the lines is, tell me yourself. See this one, slope of first line M1, slope of first line M1 is equal to how much? Root 3. M2 how much? Minus root 3. Theta is the angle between the lines. Theta is the angle between the lines. Then what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to, tell me, plus or minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Write down. Now apply. Tan theta is equal to plus or minus M1 is how much? Root 3. M2 is how much? Minus root 3 by 1 plus M1 M2 how much? Root 3 into minus root 3 how much? Plus or minus root 3 minus or minus? Plus root 3 how much? 2 root 3 by 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 how much? 2 root 3 by minus 2. 2 2 cancel. You are getting plus or minus root 3 you are getting. If you take plus, you are getting minus root 3. If you take minus, what do you get? Plus root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 time how much? Tell me, minus root 3. Other time, tan theta is equal to root 3. That means what? Minus root 3 means how many degrees? 120 degrees. Root 3 means 60 degrees. Write down. Can you follow or doubtful? Next. One more question. Slope of one line is 1 by 2. Slope of one line is 1 by 2. And the angle between the lines and the angle between the lines and the angle between the lines is pi by 4. Angle between the lines is pi by 4. Find the slope of other line. Find the slope of other line. Here see this one. This is one line. This is another line. First line slope is how much they are given? M1 is equal to 1 by 2. M2 value we want to find. Angle how much? Angle how much? Pi by 4. Write down. M2 is equal to, you can take M. M2 value how much? M or M2 only. According to your will and wish you can do. What is the formula? Angle between the lines is what? We know that tan theta is equal to, tell me, M1 minus M2 by plus or minus 1 plus M1 M2. Correct or not? No voice. Tan theta is equal to plus or minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1. Correct or not? This is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines is how much they are given? Angle between two lines is how much they are given? Pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Write down. Next, M1 value how much they are given? M1 1 by 2. M2 we don't know. That's why we can take it as M. We can take it as M. We want to find the value of M. We want to find the value of M. Substitute here tan pi by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 minus M by 1 plus 1 by 2 into M. Correct or not? Is it clear? Can you follow? Or any problem? Or am I going fast? Am I going fast? Tell me. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan 45. How much? 1. 1 is equal to plus or minus. Take LCM. What do you get? 1 minus 2m by 2 whole divided by 2 minus 2 sorry not minus 2 plus m by 2. 2 2 go to whom? 2 2 cancel. Next, tell me next step. See this one, 1 is equal to plus or minus 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m. Here two cases will come. One is plus, other one is minus. One time I am taking plus. 1 is equal to 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m. This is plus value. Other value, 1 is equal to or minus 1 is equal to, this minus and this side also. Minus 1 is equal to, or you can write here only otherwise. 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m. One time plus, one time minus. Suppose I am writing this side means some students put in this manner, head. That's why. Here cross multiplication. What do you do? 2 plus m is equal to 1 minus 2m. Bring this value. 3m is equal to how much? 1 minus 2. How much? Minus 1. M is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3. Next here 2 plus m is equal to minus 1 plus 2m. 3 is equal to m. M is equal to 3 or m is equal to minus 1 by 3. That's all. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Okay na? Is it clear? or any problem?